If you've been following the news about the Jhessye Schockley case, some interesting developments today, and the mother, Miss Hunter, was released from jail. This is after she was arrested. A bond of $100,000 was put in place, and the question is, why is it that someone will be arrested and be held on a $100,000 bond? The probable cause statement was released to the media, and by all, the look and sound of it, it certainly looked like there was evidence for child abuse, at least, and that Miss Hunter could be held on a $100,000 bond. So what happened? Why was it that she was arrested? And simply put, in cases like this, the governmental agency that does the arrest is the police. So in this case, the Glendale Police Department. They arrest the individual, and then the county attorney's office or the prosecutor's office has got 48 hours to file a complaint. And if they don't file a complaint within those 48 hours, then essentially the charges are dismissed and the person is released from custody. If charges are submitted and someone's being held in custody, then the government has got 10 days to conduct a preliminary hearing, or at least vacate the preliminary hearing and send the case for a grand jury indictment. So there are three time limits here that are very applicable to people who are taken into custody. One is, if you're arrested, you're supposed to be held in front of a magistrate within 24 hours. The charges must be filed within 48 hours, and if you're in custody, you should have a preliminary hearing or a probable cause termination through a grand jury within 10 days. And in this case, it's very curious as to why they wouldn't just go ahead with the charges. They want to conduct additional investigation. My take is that I think that the police should really coordinate very closely with the prosecution. So if they do go ahead and arrest somebody, that there's communication there, there's knowledge about it, and so that they're not going to arrest someone who's innocent and then later have to release them, back out of custody after their reputations have been destroyed. And there have been some other cases where that's happened. In fact, Judge Donahoe was arrested, and eventually the charges were dismissed, but the damage is done. The damage is done to your reputation. So I submit to you that if you are going to arrest somebody without a warrant, that you should do it very, very carefully, and only after you speak with the prosecution to make sure that there is enough evidence to move forward on the case. Now, in the case of Miss Hunter, they've got years and years, and if they're pursuing a homicide investigation, essentially that there is no time limit for when they can bring charges, and so there really isn't a hurry for them to do it. But again, that's why you should wait. Don't arrest them reflexively. Wait until you have all the information you need, then arrest them, then book them, and then move forward. So that's my take on that case, and thanks so much for watching.